Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. It's winter season and officially hot chocolate season. Your feed is probably full of hot chocolates right now, but have you tried a spiced hot chocolate yet? Today we are making it my way, aromatic, cozy and perfectly Christmassy with the most beautiful flavor combo. So let's get started. In a saucepan, add any milk of your choice. I'm using around 600 to 650 ml because my mugs are bigger. Once the milk goes in, add the spices to infuse. I'm using 3 small cinnamon sticks. If you have a bigger, thicker stick, 1 piece is enough. Then add a pinch of clove powder or a nutmeg powder. Then add 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder and whisk it well to avoid any lumps. I'm taking 4 large cubes of fruit and nut dark chocolate for an amazing taste, but you can simply use any plain dark chocolate as well. Instead of plain dark chocolate, I'm using fruit and nut because it gives the hot chocolate a lovely surprise in every sip. Chop the chocolate and add it to the hot mixture, stirring until it melts. The little bits of nuts and fruity sweetness add beautiful texture and extra richness to the drink. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Mix everything well and let it simmer. To top it up with whipped cream, I'm taking half a cup of chilled heavy cream and whipping it for a minute or 2 until soft cake form. The whipped cream is ready. Keep it aside for topping. Remove the cinnamon sticks from the hot chocolate and let it simmer for 1 more minute to thicken slightly. If you prefer a thicker hot chocolate, you can add a few more chocolate cubes and adjust the sweetness to your likings. This version is perfect for me with those lovely aromatic flavors. Turn off the stove and remove the saucepan. Now pour the hot chocolate into your cups. I have some marshmallows to top one of a hot chocolate cup. As many marshmallows you like, I'm using this cute snowman marshmallow and it's done. For the second cup, I'm topping it with the whipped cream. Scoop some onto the hot chocolate. Sprinkle a little cocoa powder on the top and add a snowman on the side of the cup, and that is it, ready to enjoy. You can also top it with gingerbread man cookies. If you want to see how to make perfect gingerbread man cookies, I will share the video link in the description below. Enjoy this warm spiced hot chocolate at home this season paired with some Christmas cookies. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know your thoughts in comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching Gags Kitchen, and I'll see you in next one.